An introduction to reciprocal pronouns. The mutual magic. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of English grammar. We're delving into the world of reciprocal pronouns. What are they? When and how do we use them? Let's find out together. So, let's begin with the definition. Reciprocal pronouns are used when two or more people are carrying out or are the subject of the same action. The action is reciprocal, meaning it's done back and forth between the people involved. English has two reciprocal pronouns, each other, and one another. Now, let's talk about the first of these two, each other. We use each other when we're talking about two individuals or entities. For example, John and Mary love each other. This sentence means that John loves Mary and Mary loves John. The love is reciprocal, it goes both ways. Our second reciprocal pronoun is one another. This is generally used when we're talking about more than two people or entities. For example, the members of the band respect one another. In this case, each band member respects every other band member. Again, the respect is reciprocal, shared among all members. Interestingly, while some people insist on this 2 vs more than 2 rule, it's not strictly followed by all. You'll often see each other and one another used interchangeably, especially in informal speech and writing. So don't worry too much if you occasionally use one in place of the other. And there you have it, folks. Reciprocal pronouns aren't so daunting, right? They're a small but essential part of English grammar, helping us express mutual actions between people. Keep practicing each other and one another in your sentences. It's all about making your English sound more natural and fluid. Thanks for joining us today, and as always, keep up the good work with your English studies.